Conclude can be replaced by wind up. At the end of today, you'll be able to speak naturally. Accumulate can be replaced by pile up. Arrive can be replaced by pull in. Alight can be replaced by get off. Make my day and hit the like. Circumnavigate can be replaced by go around. Exit can be replaced by get out. Proceed can be replaced by keep on. Obstruct can be replaced by block up. Delay can be replaced by hold up. Hold up. Pile up the comments with your favorite. Decelerate can be replaced by slow down. Decline can be replaced by go down. Intercept can be replaced by cut off. Encounter can be replaced by run into. Transfer can be replaced by switch over. Anticipate can be replaced by look forward to. Accelerate can be replaced by speed up. Enter can be replaced by get in. Which ones are new so far? Let's keep on. Board can be replaced by get on. Depart can be replaced by set off. Return can be replaced by send back. Deplete can be replaced by run out of. Calculate can be replaced by add up. Divide can be replaced by split up. Contribute can be replaced by chip in. Settle can be replaced by square up. Are you keeping up? Let's move on. Understand can be replaced by keep up. Depart can be replaced by head out. Consume can be replaced by eat up. Imbibe can be replaced by drink up. Sample can be replaced by try out. Replenish can be replaced by top up. Request can be replaced by ask for. Substitute can be replaced by swap out. Omit can be replaced by leave off. Arrive can be replaced by show up. Consult can be replaced by ask around. Any questions? I'm looking forward to your comments. Occupy can be replaced by sit down. Select can be replaced by pick out. Recover can be replaced by get over. Extinguish can be replaced by put out. Subscribe to keep on learning.